Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, or Main Rebel, here on YouTube and on Instagram, and we're back. We're gonna do another hair video. Today I'm gonna be focusing on these black roots. These are really bad. Also, if you didn't see my last video, I'm gonna link it down below. You should watch that. I also did say I would never bleach my own hair again. I'm already regretting this. I'm gonna cry. I don't care, I'm never doing this again. But I feel like I can do it. I'm not gonna do the whole thing this time. I'm just gonna do like a partial weave because I don't wanna get into the whole bottom or anything. Like when I'm sitting like this, I don't look like I have blonde hair. It looks like I have brown hair. But most of my hair is blonde, so this is the part that's like really bothering me. So we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna take care of the top and probably like around the crown. So to begin, I'm going to section my hair from top and bottom, and on the bottom I just decided to braid it away because we're not going to use that. And today I am doing my bangs solid blonde, so I'm giving them their own section, which this is completely optional. And then you go in and do a 2-inch wide mohawk section that goes all the way to the crown, and that would leave your left and your right side. So then you grab your lightener. I chose Blonde Me 20 volume and OLAPLEX, of course, because I'm going to be doing this myself, which I highly do not recommend. And I decided to start in my crown area. And yes, it was really difficult. Make sure your slices are paper thin, 1/8 or smaller. Make sure your lines are super clean. And then most importantly, make sure that your foil is as close as you can get it to your scalp. And then for the love of God, please try not to overlap the lightener on your old blonde hair because that's how you create damage. You should definitely not be doing this yourself. As I got closer to the front, it became a little easier, but then I started to realize I had so many dark pieces going through my blonde hair. So in order to cancel those, you put your foil as normal, you retouch your regrowth, and then that's when you pick out the dark pieces, slide a brand new piece of foil in, and then there you go, voila. So once I got to my bang area, I'm going to do every single one of these foils back to back to back. And the reason for that is that I just want them solid blonde. I don't want any darkness going through it. And then I'm going to go back and then I'm going to retouch my root. So then you'll see in the end what it looks like. So once I have the top done, voila, I decided to go in and check my first foil. We're looking for a pale yellow, which isn't really quite there yet, so I started on my sides. I like to go from the ear all the way to the back of my head in a diagonal formation. Lord help me, these sections are not as good as I originally thought they were, and now I know why I did end up getting some bleach spots. You want to make sure that your foil is as close as possible, because if not, the bleach is going to leak through, which it did in some pieces. But hey, I'm doing this myself, so
don't be hating. And then I just kind of continued going back. I was so tired at this point. Oh my goodness, I could not wait to be over. All right, at this point I had already done the other side of my head, and I started to take some pieces out because I noticed that they were done. And it was kind of hard for me to do this because I had a balayage before, and this is technically a color correction. Do not do this at home again, but if you must, you must. Just try and be careful. And then, oh, my bangs are looking pretty good. They're looking all right. So I just decided to go in and touch up the dark pieces that I had left out, which were closest to my root. So I'm going back in, taking out some of that cotton, you know, dabbing, and then I'm probably just gonna dab some more because I want it to be super even and I don't want any darkness through there. This section was actually really hard because all the foils were in the way, but oh my god, I'm such a mess.
Okay guys, so this is what it looks like right now. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to blow dry it. Honestly, I don't even know what to expect. It was definitely what I wanted. As you can see, the top looks like that.
And for the toner, I did go in with 09P and 09T Redken Shades.
My sides, that's what those look like. But yeah. Well, what do you think? I'm obsessed with this hair color, and then obviously look at these extensions. There was like, I think like 7 tracks, and all of them are really thick. I guess I can do a video and show you guys what they look like. I do, however, need to go in and layer them a little bit, and I'm just gonna leave that for another day. Well, thank you guys again so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye!